you have missed the point. You have missed the whole point of revelation of Christianity. And so the sad truth, ladies and gentlemen, is that at the frontier, he sent, Jeremiah to the house of the porter in Jeremiah the 18th chapter. He said, go to the house of the porter and I will speak to you in the house of the porter. Arise and go into the house of the porter in verse number 2 of Jeremiah chapter 18, and I will make you hear my words. And you want to answer better now. Na will be aba was a sorry free baby at then what to hint dear was the sister na yintimeja. What I say? No, what I say? No. Said the tea, Nabia Yakum Krum, Nana Swaba, Kubia Home, Nana Smas Waka and I Yamete, Na Messedios Waka yintimeja. Namwani ameware uswa. Ni uswa kan yintimeja. Sister, there are things that will offend you in this world. Ya wajijifu wombo ba bechecho. Amwatu nyame somatwen. Unimu America achiro. There are people that the enemy will send to you. It depends on you how you receive them. I'm telling you, the enemy will send people to you. They will provoke you. You see, when people are insulted and all that, they are looking for reaction. The best reaction will be silence. Silence. It's not easy. As mommy can easy. Silence. When the enemy rant and you don't speak, they panic. They panic because they were looking for a particular reaction. It did not come. And after I finish this, I want to remind you that Christ is coming again. His reward is with him to give unto every man according to it.